straight piping?
Yep. It's going on next week. It's not loud enough yet.
It's not loud enough yet.
My other car's a V6 and I have that thing straight piped, so.
Nice. What year is this baby? What year is this baby?
05.
An 05?
Yep.
Not bad.
She's got 400,000 on it. Yep. Look underneath, it's still gray.
What's that?
Mine has 460.
You
I
have
have a black one
460?
too. I had
Holy
two
shit.
left.
New engine, new tranny,
Everything, eh?
front end, rear end, everything's been done.
Yeah.
But
Might as well just get a 6.1 in there.
thinking about it. Next, I'm throwing a set of heads and cams on it, so it's gonna be the next thing after the exhaust.
Nice.
See underneath the hood?
No, not yet. Check it out. Ooh. Nice. What kind of paint is that?
I forget what color it is, but we trust
So you know the next thing you're gonna sell is the rear end. The new motor, they were transferred to the rear end.
I like that color.
The calipers are going that orange, and I'm talking to a guy about wrapping it and putting a stripe in it.
Oh, okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, wrap.
Did-
Definitely.
Just putting a couple stripes in it. I just got a fiberglass hood for it, so I'm gonna see if I can fiberglass some hood scoops into it.
Yeah.
And actually make them work properly. So
You are a true lover of Magnums, eh?
my
How
second
long you
one,
own that Magnum for?
my other one was, I owned it for about a year now,
Yeah.
and then this one I just got a few weeks ago. So
Oh, nice.
yeah, I wanted to upgrade to the Hemi. It was either looking at a supercharger for $6 grand,
Or just yeah.
or just upgrade to the Hemi. And you know, now I'm building the Hemi. The V6 is kind of parked there. I pulled some parts off the V6 for this one, but
Yeah.
hopefully eventually I'll get the V6 all done up. So
Yeah. Not bad at all. Sounds great. It's gonna sound better, eh?
thank you.
Are you gonna replace the clip with a Challenger?
I'm not a Challenger, no. Eventually I'm looking at a 2018, 2017 Charger front end.
Yeah.
I'm thinking eventually somewhere down the line, so I like the newer Charger body styles on them, so.
Yeah, nice.
Looking at doing a swap to the newer interior too. Wait until one ends up in a scrapyard and I can pull all the dash out, so.
Yeah.
But
Not bad
even
at
the
all.
interior is pretty clean.
Where are you driving from?
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls. Actually, it's not bad.
No, it's not too bad. Well, I live in St. Catharines, so right near there, so.
Oh, yeah.
So you know now.
I'm
Yeah.
about to throw it in the car wash. You should see it after it's done. The wax might be coming out. So,
Nice.
I'll be back.
All right.
That's straight pipe.
That's a straight pipe?
Yeah, buddy.
Hold on. Let's see this.
I'm at right
I
now.
want to see this.
Look at the spray from.
Oh! What's up, bro? You want to turn up for the mic? Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, boy. Goodbye, ears.
Ready?
Let's go.
Go.
Uh-oh. That's pretty sick.
Yeah.
How does it sound on the highway? Do you have a lot of
You
drone?
don't hear nothing but that.
So you have a lot of drone on that?
No, actually. What it is if you get the pipe to come out from the bumper, you
Yeah.
don't get drone.
You don't get drone?
No,
Oh, is that
because
right?
if the pipes are behind the bumper, it stays in the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Really? Well, my old ones, I had either 40s or 44s. I'm not sure, but they were about here. Yeah. Sometimes I get droning, but not much. But ever since I put them out there, I barely hear it in the car unless I put my window down, and then that's all I hear. I don't hear nothing else. Nothing. I've had the resonator cut off and both the mufflers cut off. You got headers on there? No. Nope. It's all factory. All factory, and it still has the cats on. He hollowed out his cats.
Hats off and an SLP loudmouth.
Oh, yeah.
You have a lot of drone on that one?
My neighbors hate me
On
now.
the highway?
I don't think so, no.
My neighbors hate me. Get ready for work in the morning, they're like, oh, that guy. That's awesome. Yeah. I like it.
Those are clean. It looks like you just put them on, eh?
Oh yeah. Well, I just cleaned them up with my dog.
Fuck yeah. What do you got on the hood?
Hemi.
Yeah?
5.7.
it all cleaned up?
Like, I don't do that stuff.
Not yet.
It's too much. That's too much,
Oh, yeah.
bro.
This thing's got way too many kilometers for me to do that.
How many kilometers?
389.
What year?
06.
06, not bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm pushing 400,000 on this thing.
Yeah, you gonna do that?
Yeah, man, I'm at 389.
Kilometers.
I'm beating up on Mustangs with it. You see the look on their face because they're like, it's a station wagon. Funny. Yeah, sorry, buddy. They were in my big garage.
That was loud. My ears hurt. That's pretty cool, eh?
They're full of water.
Challenger has appeared.
Oh, now everybody.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna have that too. I'm gonna. That's
What is what's the engine? What's
5.7.
5.7?
Yeah.